Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a little bit of journaling in my A6 Hobonichi Techo. And if you're new here, I love the idea of you guys sitting down with your journals and planners and just relaxing along with me. So let's do it. So this piece of magazine collage was from, I think, a Breathe magazine that I had painted a long time ago, and I had just torn out that image and
excuse me, oh my goodness.
I stuck it in there on Wednesday because I had already journaled for Tuesday at this point, so that day was kind of full, but Tuesday and Wednesday I had to work, and it was just, Tuesday was a pretty miserable night at work. It was kind of awful, and yeah, it was just bad. It was just really bad and really sad, and so I was just getting some feelings out about that, and I got a new pen. This is a green, it's like a forest green colored pen, and it is the Uniball Signo DX in 0.38, and I loved how thin it was. I got it in the checkout line at Michael's because I loved the color and then the tip size, but then it stopped writing on that paper. I don't know if like my hand oils had got on the paper or something. It was weird. So I stopped writing with it and finished with my other Sarasa mahogany color one. And then a very sweet friend sent me these Post-its that are from Shine Sticker Studio, and it's Luna on a little stack of donuts. And I wanted to stick that in there and just remind myself not to take for granted the people in my life because they're such a blessing. I usually don't, try not to, but it was just a reminder. And then I put in some stickers. That cat like crying in a puddle I put at the bottom of Tuesday because like I said, it was just a sad night. So I just kind of put in some stickers. So what other stickers did I put in there? I don't know. Oh, that I guess when I told myself not to take them for granted, like I guess when my kids want me to play with them and I feel like I'm too busy or I have other things to do, I just need to stop and remember what's important in life. And so it was a little kitty like holding a little toy with sad eyes, like, play with me. And then let's see, that little scrap of fabric was just that, a scrap of fabric that I liked. Thursday, I glued in a moon. It was a full moon, and I had part of that collage piece. I just really liked the moon. It was really big in the sky when I was driving Addie home from dance. It was dark because it was like 8 o'clock, and the moon was just huge in the sky, and it was really pretty. So I liked that. And I love magazine collage. If you guys haven't been here long, I love tearing things out of magazines. I use a lot of Real Simple and Breathe and stuff like that. And then the sticker, There's Beauty in Everything. I just liked that. And then Addie drew me this cat. And I thought it was so funny. And she told me to color it, that she didn't color it because she wanted me to be able to color it whatever color that I wanted. So I stuck it in my journal. And I love her cats with like huge heads and these tiny bodies. And then another one of those Shine Sticker Studio Post-it notes. It was like a little diamond shape, and I just wrote on there that Addie had her first gymnastics class. We were trying tumbling, but she really wanted to add in the gymnastics portion of it, like the bars and beam and stuff. And so we tried a different place, and it was neat. She really enjoyed it, so that was cool. I want to put in a picture that I took that night because I wanted a picture of her at her first gymnastics class. And oh, the way that she rolled her eyes at me, it was really funny. I'll have to show you. She was like, Mom, you could just see the embarrassment on her face. I'm like, come on, you're 7. Take a picture, stand in front of the window. But anyway. And then I put some pieces of that scrapbook paper that I used to decorate my pocket traveler's notebook in the like Christmas theme. And I wanted to remember that I did that that day, that I decorated it, and that it was fun to sit down and do that. And that little peppermint sticker was from a friend also. They're like these little puffy Christmas stickers, and they're super cute. And I'm so mad that I forgot that I had them while I was doing my Christmas setup. I need to go in and add some in there. But I also put in this piece of collage, and it's kind of like just to remind me to sit back and relax sometimes, like that I don't always have to film. Like I love filming stuff for you guys, and so I think sometimes I go a little nuts with it, and I just wanted to remind myself to like not stress out about it. I don't have to film every single thing, and you know, just to like not lose the joy in things, because I want to get all of it, you know, up for you guys. So it hasn't been a problem yet, but I just need to, I tend to go a little extreme on things, if you can't tell, like I'm like, you know, 0 or 100 miles an hour. And then I put in a little sloth like lifting weight sticker. And then I took my my purple Pigma Micron pen, and I was hand lettering in there, struggle to be whole, not perfect. And I really liked that little quote, because I think it's so appropriate. Like, we don't have to be perfect. We just have to feel like whole and be proud of the things that we do, like even if they're not perfect. I hope they're not perfect. You know what I mean? So it's just a good reminder. And I had just been in like a funky dunky mood, and as hormones and all that junk, you know. And so I just wanted to remind myself to just go easy on myself. And then I put in a little sticker of a rabbit like eating a ton of strawberries, because I thought it was really cute. And then, yeah, I think I took that orange pen and I was just writing about, going easy on myself. And like, why is it so hard for us to go easy on ourselves sometimes? Like, I go easy on, I'm not like, I don't, what I was saying didn't make sense. Like, I am perfectly fine giving other people a lot of, you know, room to grow and to you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I don't give myself that freedom sometimes. You know what I mean? I'm sure you know what I mean. And then I put in a sticker of a piece of candy, because this Halloween candy has got to get out of my house. It has got to get out of my house. I keep trying to like start over and like, you know, like be done with all the candy, and then that damn candy bag just somehow ends up open on my lap at night in front of the TV. But I think we're making progress, because all that's left now is like the really disgusting banana Laffy Taffy, and no one wants that shit. So I put in, let's see, a little sticker of a girl like raising a wine glass. Like, I'll toast to that. Struggle to be whole, not perfect. And then a little light hanging. It was kind of like shedding some light. And then I decided to color in the cat rainbow colors, because why not? So I'm just using my the real brush pens from Arteza, because I had them out on my desk from working in my planner that I'm making kind of rainbowy. So I just used those and colored in a rainbow cat, because I like it. And then I'm using my Posca paint pens, which I got on Amazon. I can link those below. I love them because they're like paint in a pen. So they will stick to a whole bunch of surfaces, and the colors are fun. And I'm just like making hearts, and then doing, there's not like tracing around the little cat. So just to add some more little fun, you know, as you do. Excuse me. And then I was sticking in stuff for Saturday morning. When I was doing this, it was Friday, and I knew that Saturday we had conferences for my kids at school. So I put in a little box. That pumpkin box is from the American Crafts seasonal sticker book. I love this sticker book. You can find it at Tuesday Morning and also on Amazon, although cheaper at Tuesday Morning. So I'll try and link it if I can find it. And then my little like fall critter washi tape that I love. And then these stickers are so funny. I love them. Anne sent them to me, and they're like animals with like accessories on, and just it's like funny human looking animals. So I put like the bunny, it's bunny with a tie on and coffee, and the cat with like glasses and a bow in her hair, because it just reminded me of like my husband and I at conferences. Like we try and, put on our best behavior. Like, oh, yes, we'll work on that. Thank you. So anyway, and then I put in some of the Christmas stickers and the ho, 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 and give thanks, because it's kind of funny. My house is like a mishmash of like Thanksgiving and Christmas decorations. Sorry, someone's running the dishwasher and flushing the toilet upstairs. So if you hear all that running water, I'm not on the toilet. It's because I'm in the basement. And, so anyways, yeah, I just wanted to put in all that funny, like Thanksgiving time decorations, and then among the Christmas tree and the lights, because that's what my house looks like. So I couldn't be happier about it. I mean, if I have anything to say about it, that turkey can just gobble right on past my Christmas tree. That's just fine. And then that Hong and Ding sticker, we always go to the book fair after conferences. And so I loved the Hong and Ding with the pile of books. And then the one where his pockets are, he's like emptying out his pockets, like spent all his money, because that's what my kids do to us at the Scholastic Book Fair. But it was great. It was a lot of fun, and they had great conferences, and I just let them pick out a special treat. So I hope you guys have had a good weekend. I'll talk to you later.